I would want to go in the past and see कि उस टाइम पे क्या क्या चीज़ें बन रही. तो अभी तो ऐसा है कि अब तो घूम लिया सारा. सब कुछ ऑनलाइन दिख जाता है.
Any warrior that you feel had a very cool dressing sense?
Haven't seen ज़्यादा.
You can say Genghis Khan, you saw him wear that frock.
Yeah, Shivaji Maharaj, because he has a very prominent.
Let me check here. What did Shivaji Maharaj wear? I don't know why, but Mongolian fashion होता है ना, वो मेरे को I kind of like it. Has this raw vibe.
You also listen to musics, na? That
Yeah.
are like tribal Mongolian
And
musics.
I think what Genghis Khan used to wear must have been some Mongolian style. So it could be that. Shah Rukh Khan I saw in the movie, na, Ashoka. Ashoka, that his style was very cool. So maybe it is because of Shah Rukh Khan. But Ashoka's style was also very nice. The modern fashion, na, I think it was nice. And also, I would pick, if I were to dress, na, the cholas, na. The Chola sculpture, na, it was very raw, it was very aggressive, but at the same time very spiritual at the same time. So I like that vibe. I'll show you one image. This is one image. जैसे इसमें if you notice ना, तो Cholas are very famous because I've been to their temples. A lot of these temples South India में Cholas are built. They are very beautiful. They have इतने टाइम के बाद भी they are still very functional. If you enter, there is an energy. And also, उनकी clothing में भी, if you notice, जैसे this is a very functional piece of clothing. ऐसा नहीं है कि मुकुट बस पहनने के लिए. It looks beautiful, but it is there to protect their head. और उसके साथ साथ they have this metallic ऐसे chain वाला जो vibe है ना, it is there to protect it from swords and all. But at the same time, if you notice, there's a lot of gemstones attached to this pura bracelet. So
that also
it was
some
functional,
energy.
but it looks very, very interesting and very, very nice. So I think that is why they are nice.
हो जाता वो धोती या फिर वो स्कर्ट के लेंथ में पहना हुआ है
of
ना.
course they're wearing skirts.
श्लोक
I think skirts would come back. I don't know if you would
overlays
call
के
it
skirts for men.
I don't know
I
if
think
you would call it
Shlok is
skirts.
starting this whole propaganda of men wearing
Skirts.
cool skirts.
I don't know if you would call it skirts or dhoti or
like
whatever,
half.
but it looks cool.
You think we should launch like a festive collection with like these skirts, like cooler skirts? Would you wear this outfit like every day?
I don't know, but like something similar I can make that I would wear every day. मतलब ऐसा nipples दिख रहे हैं मैं ऑफिस में घुस रहा हूँ तो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. It would be थोड़ा सा weird. I don't know if people would allow, but I could maybe someday, but it is inspiring. What do you think? Would you approve of it?
मुझे दिक्कत है मतलब मेरे पास अगर 2-3 लोग साथ में पहन ले तो
सब shirtless घूम रहे हैं. Nice, but
I think, but what you mentioned is very true. These all outfits and jewelries, they have a very meaningful thought behind it, and at the same time, they look very pretty.
yeah.
And I think right now, this is something which is missing in a lot of clothing garments and jewelry that I see. It is either extremely beautiful but very uncomfortable and not functional, or otherwise it's very plain, simple, functional and not very distinct and beautiful.
We should make one collection na, that is like crazy type. We should invest na thoda sa maybe like 6 months and do something crazy. Nobody would buy it. But it would
skirts
be
for men again coming soon.
कुछ अलग सा. I think we should do something like that. We should do something that is inspired by.
I think then we would have to
Something which
launch
is-
a whole outfit, because see, it won't look very good without all of those accessories as well. Then it has to be like a collection.
Yeah.
And we can also add something that smells like it. So when you go to these temples, they smell a certain way. We can have this whole collection of the outfit, the look and the smell.
I तो feel future में like if we build such a collection, we'll have a show proper. We'll have people fashion show पूरा
बस
20
खर्चा करने के तो बहुत तरीके हैं. खर्चा करना तो अभी करवा दो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
अब वियर्ड क्लोथ्स तो ऐसे ही बना लेंगे, फिर वो बिका नहीं, वो भी खरीद.
देखो आई टेल यू, मैं एकदम ऑनेस्ट बताता हूँ आप लोगों को कि बेसिकली होता क्या है इंडिया में. अगर आपको सक्सेसफुल बनना है एंड आप एक क्रिएटिव हो, तो ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि आप बस महंगे महंगे कपड़े बना रहे हो, आप बेच रहे हो. डज नॉट वर्क दैट वे. आपको ऐसे कपड़े बनाने पड़ते हैं मासेस में बिक जाए, एंड उसके बाद यू कैन गेट सम कैश टू एक्सपेरिमेंट एंड ट्राई दिस चीज़. क्योंकि इसमें हम पूरा मेहनत करेंगे 6 महीने सब कुछ सारी चीज़ें एंड एंड अप मेकिंग समथिंग दैट वी लुक अप टू. इट इज़ लाइक अ
There
it
would
is something
be a cult
कुछ लोग
to
खरीदेंगे
buy.
to
हाँ.
make them feel crazy good, but at the same time उसके लिए पैसा चाहिए. And as a business ROI positive when we are running, only then it makes sense. उसका
I think ऐसे crazy ideas हमको रोज आते हैं and like we feel we can do this, we can do that, but then it's an experiment.
Yeah.
It's always an experiment
we
to
should do
figure
this.
out.
We should do Chola's inspired clothing.